Welcome everyone to my channel Rhythm of Flavors. Today I will share with you a recipe of Sabudana Khichdi. Ingredients list is also available in the description box below. In a pan, take about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or ghee. Drop about diced half potato. Fry the potatoes until they are golden brown. And then keep them aside. To the same oil or ghee, add a tablespoon of jeera or cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 to 2 green chilies chopped or as per taste. Stir fry the ingredients until ginger releases its flavor. Time to add our sabudana, also called sago. I have taken half cup of raw sabudana, soaked it overnight in water and drained the water. When our sabudana is 80% cooked or they start becoming transparent, add salt to taste, the fried potatoes and give it a quick stir. Add quarter cup of coarsely powdered groundnuts. This will absorb the moisture and enhance the taste. Give them a good mix and you'll see the dish coming together. At the end, add quarter teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. This is optional. Add chopped coriander leaves and add less than a quarter teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. Lastly, give a stir. And our hot and yummy Sabudana Khichdi is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it. Comments are always welcome. It'll be nice if you spread the word and subscribe for more such recipes.